Ballerina cappuccino, what will she eat? Guess now, hit subscribe. Wow! Ballerina cappuccino eats a sandwich. Ballerina cappuccino, what will she eat? Guess now, hit like. Wow! Ballerina cappuccino eats colorful noodles. Ballerina cappuccino, what will she eat? Guess now, hit like. Wow! Ballerina cappuccino eats a donut. Wow! Ballerina cappuccino eats a donut. Ballerina cappuccino, what will she drink? Guess now, hit like. Guess now, hit like. Wow! Ballerina cappuccino drinks cappuccino. And now, Ballerina cappuccino eats everything. Wow! And now, Ballerina cappuccino eats everything. Wow!